Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find Smart Manager. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter the battery and enter battery detail. And as you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So right now we've got do not show option applied, because we've got only the battery icon here, but we can set also inside or next to the battery icon. So let me pick, for example, this option. Just tap on the option like to use, and as you can see, it immediately changes, and from now on, next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Obviously we can pick also the inside the battery icon, so it will be transferred to actually inside the battery icon, but let me leave this option. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.